It doesn't look like your typical survival kit, because nothing about this kit is typical. You're looking at a micro everyday carry survival kit revolution. The all-new Tiny Survival Card from Ultimate Survival Tips. This life-saving credit card-sized wilderness survival toolkit is the world's smallest, toughest, and most complete last-ditch collection of micro gear with a knife ever developed. Weighing in at less than an ounce, the Tiny Survival Card is designed for everyday carry and fits in a wallet, pocket, purse, glove box, or survival kit. The Tiny Survival Card is packed with 17 hard-to-improvise micro tools, including one multifunctional mini knife and spear point, one micro finger drill, 3 sewing needles, 2 small fishing hooks, 2 medium fishing hooks, 2 double fishing hooks, 1 mini button fishing lure, 2 mini gig harpoons, 1 dual edge fine and medium saw, 1 set of mini tweezers, and in a pinch, use the entire card as an emergency signaling device. The patent-pending Tiny Survival Card is proudly made in the USA and is crafted from 0.025-inch thick hardened 302 stainless steel. Our innovative etched triangular tab design allows each tool to snap off clean and easy, without damage. The Tiny Survival Card travels on our exclusive magnetic base, allowing you to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the base for storage. Once removed, tools can be kept together by placing them back on the magnetic base. The Tiny Survival Card is a perfect backup everyday carry survival toolkit for anyone who likes to hike, camp, hunt, fish, backpack, or just be prepared. Because you never know. Step up to the smallest, lightest, most comprehensive wallet carry emergency survival kit with a knife ever designed. This is the Tiny Survival Card.